All right, you guys. I just wanted to show you the actual trades. First of all, I want to show you that this is on the Sim 101 account, um, which I don't know if you guys are familiar with NinjaTrader or not, but you can verify that the Sim 101 is the simulator account that trades with the live market. There is a replay mode that will allow you to replay, data from earlier in the day or past days. But it's replay 101 or something like that. I can actually, maybe I'll actually show you just so you know I'm not, obviously replay mode wouldn't be of a whole lot of value in your verifying my trades. Um, so anyway, that's Sim 101. You could probably contact NinjaTrader directly and find out. I would just give you access to this account, but this is my live account. I don't have a whole lot of money in here right now, but um, I would prefer to not give it to you. I'd probably be willing to do like a maybe a Makogo or online desktop sharing program, and then I could just walk into the account and show it to you if you want that kind of verification. I could probably get my broker at Global Futures to just verify that this is accurate or something like that. I'm willing to. I'd like you guys to use this. I ran into some issues this morning trying to execute on OEC, and um, like I say, I mean I'm just set up and I'm familiar with NinjaTrader, so it's just it's aggravating to have to try to juggle the two platforms and get used to a new platform and all the rest of it. This trade, this is a short trade that I was trying to get logged into the OEC platform, that I was trying to find out what this exact price was right here. By the time I got the price, I missed the trade, and so I just took a break at that point for a while until I kind of got clear that you guys would be willing to work with me in verifying the simulator results. Anyway, I have this is my this is my trade log for the morning. It's in crude oil, and I sent you an Excel spreadsheet showing all these trades. Let's see, account performance, so you can see that. So my net, anyway, you got all this. I will send you a snapshot of this screen as well. And, well, I thought I'd just show you the logic that I'm using as well, so you're not only looking at trades. What I've got here, this is an indicator that I've developed. It's using the Midas technical analysis primary curves and the upper and lower channel lines. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. This is on a 30-minute chart, and I'm looking for, I'm looking to trade off of important 30-minute levels. And so we had kind of a base put in here. I launched the curve from this area, and we had a test right down in here, and that's sort of what initiated this first sort of trade campaign off of this area. I did make a mistake in terms of a news announcement right in here, and so I got into this trade. Unfortunately, I didn't take a little bit of profit in here, and got stopped out. I immediately got back into the trade when support started coming back in, and then the magenta
Setup.
arrows are sort of profit targets. So I took some profit there, got back in, took a little profit up in here, again got in here and exited there. So made back this loss and made a little bit on that. Exited my last position right here, and then tried to get short here and missed that, which was obviously a little bit frustrating. Took a break while I was getting some things sorted out with you guys and with my broker. I then got long in here and exited almost at the high on that one. And this is actually kind of similar to what I was showing you back over in here. So we kind of topped out, started bouncing off a resistance up in here, and here I exited, tried to get short. Right up in here, same thing. Oh, actually had 2 on here, so I exited and then exited again here. Rolled over and then started looking to get short. Looks like I got short a little early in here and probably had my stop in a little too tight there, but just wanted to make sure I didn't get ripped after a nice start. Resistance started to kind of pan out, so I re-shorted it in here, and then obviously caught this really nice move. Exited both contracts down in here. Got short again after testing this resistance area. Should have taken a little profit and didn't. And let's see here. Okay, yeah, so then we kind of we had a little bit of a consolidation in here. Broke below it, and when it broke back above and tested potential support and started moving higher, I exited. Let's see here. Okay, sorry, I get confused because in NinjaTrader, the color scheme is kind of funny. So if you start off buying, I think the color, if you start off shorting, the color for the entry is magenta, and if you start off buying, the color is blue. And so if you don't have the text on there, it gets a little bit confusing from that perspective. But so anyway, I don't know if I need to go through everything in here trade by trade. Looks like I caught long and took a nice profit on this one in here. And then we got into some consolidation and a lot of little trades in here. Took some small losses in this area. Nothing too big. And gave up a little bit trying to catch the next move in here. Then finally I went ahead and caught this short right in here and exited right in here. And I did one more follow on, very small scalp right there, and that was sort of a perfect exit as well. And anyway, you guys let me know what you need from me. If you need verification from my broker or whatever it is, and I'll try to work with you on this day's trade. What I'd like to do for tomorrow, I set up an actual separate sim account with global futures so I can use NinjaTrader, and I will just give you the access codes to that so you can then log in and take a look at it directly. Hopefully that will be sufficient. Let me know. Thank you.